have in my hand the PROception 750Mbps Wi-Fi access point. So it's a faceplate with a single RJ45 output, as well as having a Wi-Fi access point on it as well. It's available with low-cost small parcel shipping directly from freetv.ie. The PROception actually have a range of these in terms of the outputs on it. 750 meg, I believe, is the one to go with here, simply because it's the best combination between the price and what it's given. And as Wi-Fi networks get faster and faster, you probably want to buy one that's certainly going to be at least as quick as where Wi-Fi might be in 5 years' time. So, so this is the outer box that comes in here, and that's the actual unit itself. So you'll just notice on the front of it here, there's a little indicator here. I'll show it lit up in a minute, and it just has a Wi-Fi access point on it. And then what we have is where we can put in our actual LAN connection here. So we're going to feed a cable hardwired into a local thing. If we look at the back of the unit here, we'll see we actually have how it feed it in. So just say we imagine we come along here and we have this faceplate mounted in the wall. We can actually just come along, slide this in to mount it directly in. But of course what we need is a cable running directly in here. So what we'd actually have is internally inside the wall we'd have a LAN cable already run down. Probably knock out this thing here and then plug it directly in on this unit here. So it just snaps in directly like that. So what we have then is we have our LAN cable coming in, and we have that connected back obviously to our router. But how is this being powered? Well, you have two options in terms of how you're going to power it, because you don't want a local power point and have the electrical, all the rest of it. So all these type of devices like this, they're always PoE powered, and there's two basic ways you can power it. If it's a one-off, in terms of there's only going to be one of this in the house, the typical thing to do would be from your standard switch or route or something like that, you use something like this, which would be a PoE injector. So this is a 24 volt. So what you have is a PoE output, like we have here. You push down, and on the input side of it here, you'll have a LAN cable, something like this. So this LAN cable is coming directly from your router, we'll say, comes in here and is fed in. And what we're achieving here by doing this is, on the cable coming in, what we have is we have a network signal. On the cable coming out, we have the network signal plus the ability to power this. So it'll be PoE powered. And I've actually come along and plugged this in here now. Just going to do that quickly. I don't know if you can pick this up here, but you'll actually see the little Wi-Fi access point here. It's actually coloured now green. Do you see it's lit up? I'll just plug it out. It should die now as well, and it has died, okay? Now, if we were doing larger operations, or indeed in domestic housing certain equations, a much neater way of doing this is if we had an actual PoE distribution switch, okay? So in this one here, we don't need our PoE injector anymore. All we're doing is we're just going to come along and we push this in here, so it's got both the network signal and also the PoE connected directly into it. There's some cool features you can do with this. Just so you come along, you put in a Wi-Fi hotspot like this down in the far end of the house. There's a bedroom there. Your kids are coming along, there's something hardwired directly off it, their computer, and they also come along and they're using their phones directly off the Wi-Fi. You come and actually log directly in on this. There's a separate video that'll cover that. And what you can do is you could, each of these devices are individually addressed because there's MAC addresses with each one of them. So you can have it just paired off. You can have it marked up bedroom 4, click it, and at 10 o'clock at night off it goes. So it's pretty handy in terms of that. That's the way technology's going. It's just easy to do stuff like that. Many people actually use that. I don't know. For safety reasons, probably wouldn't try it in my house, but overall, we'll say it is good. We'll say, and these products here, like we've just tested them off against other stuff. It's just really good what you can do. You can imagine the advantages of this. That if you have the LAN cable, you're after running it directly down through an attic, we'll say, even down into a particular point. You can just change out the faceplate, where you just had a straightforward Cat5 cable. Now you put this in instead. You're having to run in directly off your PoE switch, and now you have a Wi-Fi hotspot in what would have been a low reception area in your house. So nice little product, and adds really well on to the overall range of routers, MIMO, aerials, etc. that all sell like hotcakes for us now. That's it, freetv.ie.